If you want to check your full system specifications on Windows without installing any software, this video will show you how to do it using DxDiag. First, press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog. Type DxDiag. Then press Enter. The DirectX Diagnostic Tool will now open. On the System tab, you can see your basic system information. This includes your computer name, Windows version, system model, processor, and installed memory, also known as RAM. You can also see whether your system is running a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. Next, click on the Display tab. Here, you'll find details about your graphics card, including the GPU name, manufacturer, available memory, and driver version. This section is especially useful for gaming, video editing, and troubleshooting display issues. If your system has more than one graphics card, you may see multiple display tabs. Now, click on the Sound tab. This shows information about your audio device, sound drivers, and manufacturer. If you want to share your system specs with someone, click Save All Information, choose a location, and save the file as a text document. That file contains a full breakdown of your system specifications. And that's how you use DxDiag to check all the major system specs on Windows. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.